Hi friends, we are ordered a selfie stick for Mother's Special Kitchen and vlogs. Okay friends, this is an opening video of this. Okay friends, we ordered it for the vlogs and Mother's Special Kitchen friends. So I'll show you first the full cover and next we'll see the video to open. Okay, shall we go to the video? Okay, see. Okay, let's do the cutting. Should I start? Selfie stick, super packing. Oh, it's made out of China. Oh no. Oh no, we should keep it outside. Oh no, we opened it. Okay, let's open the cover. We have to handle this also next. I forgot to use the scissors. It's not going anywhere. Oh, I have an idea. Let's pull it. Yeah! When I pull it top, okay. And let's open the selfie stick. Wow! It's amazing, job. Wow! Wow! It's a nice black color, friends. It's super. See the purple. This is the button to take the photos. See if we can take the video of this. Wow, purple color is shining with the light. Wow, super black. How long it is. If you like our unboxing video, and don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.